Hey my fluffy buns, so today I'm gonna do a coloring book and a keyboard and a mouse pad haul. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this and yeah. Got like 6 books of it. So over here we got the Fuzzy Friends. Super cute, I love it. I'm just gonna flip through like a couple of these. There's a test coloring page. I don't think it has like a checklist or anything. I wish it did, but yeah. Just gonna flip them real quick. Like, they're cute. I love it. I love from this artist brand. Okay, so before I even get to the coloring book, now I said I wouldn't buy any Cocowayo books, but they just released saying like, oh, everything's okay and fine already. So I just got an update from TikTok already, but yeah, but I bought it anyways, so it's super cute. I couldn't resist, so I bought it anyways. So like, I know Simply has this. Like, it's super cute. I love it. Like, who cannot resist these pictures? Can't wait to color in this. Does it have a checklist? I'm gonna see. I don't think so. It has a checklist. Yeah. This is a brand new one. This is the Mika Ryo Japanese food. I like this one. Ooh. It's like the page, not the page. The cover is like soft for some reason. I don't know why though, but yeah. Oh, it bent just a little bit. It's fine. It's not that bad, but yeah, it's like, it's cute, like Japanese food. Like, I simply love them. For the fuzzy, I can't even pronounce that, so it's like a cozy coloring book. I don't think it has a checklist or anything. Let me see. I think it's only for Christmas that has checklists. It has a test coloring page, but yeah. Flip these real quick. Yeah, super cute. I love it. Yeah, very cute. And here's their latest new release. It's the Valentine's Day Sweetheart coloring book. Simply has one too. She got it first before me. And there's a checklist right here. Yeah, they're super cute. I love these cute pages. Like, how can you not resist? I love it. And now for my last one is the Cocowayo Comfy and Cozy coloring book. Doesn't have a checklist or anything, but yeah, they're super cute. Like, look at it. Like, I see so many people doing these books, the Cocowayo ones, like on TikTok, even on YouTube too. Like, they're super cute. Like, I love it. Simply love it. But yeah, so here is all my 6 coloring books right here. And now we're gonna open my new mouse pad that I got. Just gonna rip that out. Oh, this is my new mouse pad. I hadn't even opened this since I got it. But yeah. Hold on, let me open this off camera. And finally, we have a red mouse pad. Hold on, if I can just... Okay. It's cute. I love it. It's freaking red. It's the new red mouse pad. Very cute. I love it. Okay, and now I'm gonna save the best for last, which is my keyboard. I'm waiting for this like forever. Like there was like a long story to this complication. Like my boyfriend got me this keyboard for Christmas and he had to cancel it because there was technical difficulties with delivery, and then I had to buy it again. But it was purple originally, so I bought a red one. So yeah, hopefully I like this red one than the purple one. So yeah. There's another box. loosen that up. Introducing the Rainy 75 keyboard. Alright, so let's just open this bad boy up. I'm crossing my fingers, it's in brand new condition. And I'm gonna test and see if I can remove the switches. It's hot swabble, so hopefully I can get it out and not end up breaking it. So yeah, because I do want to lube these switches before I even do like a sound test or anything. But I'll do it like a sound test when it's stock. Got our little accessory box. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got the wireless dongle. Yes, it should be like it should be hot swabble. So they gave me this, some extra switches, a wire. I'm gonna leave that to the side. Ooh, it's pretty heavy too. And there's a manual, but we're not gonna look at that. Comes with a cover too. So it's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. This keyboard is really heavy, like, yeah, super heavy. You guys, if you guys end up having these, do not throw those away. It will keep like the dust from the keyboard, so. We got the keyboard. It's super heavy. It has like some kind of like little sparkles. I don't know if you can see it. Let's just see the back of it. If I could just, here's the back of it. It's like literally made out of stone. And I think you can see the glitter. I think just like a little bit. Well, it is pretty heavy though. Let's just see how it sounds. Ooh! It sounds amazing. I might do like a sound test right after this in stock. But it sounds amazing. Like the stabilizer sounds amazing. So as you can see right here, it is hot swabble. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a little blurry. But I'm just gonna put it right back on. Thing is broken. See the pen? I'm not sure you guys can see that. Just carefully, gently, just try to lift this switch. Okay. Should be good right now. Just gonna slip this back on. So yeah, this is my whole setup, and you can see it lights up too. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time, my fluffy buns.